Alright guys, so today we got some packages from StockX. My family's never been in the best financial situations. Like, it's kind of always been difficult when it comes to back to school and stuff like that. And I try to help my mom out, try to help my family out as much as I possibly can. And so this year I really wanted to use this sponsorship for StockX to do something for them. So I got my nephew a couple things, and I got him some Supreme items. I wanted to get him some items that weren't like crazy over the top, ridiculously priced, because of course he's a kid. He's going to ruin these pieces. Like, they're not going to be like upkept like they're, you know, $700-800 box logo hoodies. So I got him a couple clean pieces. I got him this Supreme hoodie right here. It's got Supreme embroidery on the sleeve. I believe I actually ended up getting this for less than retail on StockX. We're in Washington, so of course I had to get him more than just one hoodie. We got this piece right here. This is another hoodie that I think I got for barely above retail. It has Supreme 2018 embroidered all around the hood right here. Clean black hoodie, nothing too crazy. I got him a couple shirts. We got, let's see, what shirts did we end up getting? He actually ended up picking out the shirts himself. He doesn't know that any of this came in before school. I'm going to bring it to him and surprise him. I don't really know if he's gonna act surprised. He's usually pretty chill. Like, I feel like I could give that kid a Lamborghini and he'll just be like, oh, thank you. But we'll see. Anyways, so I got him a couple different t-shirts. We picked out some that he liked and that were like somewhat reasonably priced. So this is a Supreme t-shirt right here. This is a Supreme Gons logo. This is actually one of my favorite Supreme Gons logo tees. Yeah, I think we got this for around like 60-70 bucks. This right here, you know I love this t-shirt. This one right here is super sick. This is the Supreme Diamond tee. One of my favorite tees from last season, to be honest. Got this in a gray colorway just because we have a lot of black already, so I decided to switch it up a little bit. I think we're waiting on one other tee, but school starts tomorrow, so I'm just gonna bring these all to him now, and if there's anything else, then of course I will bring those to him when those come. But we also got some old schools. So we got two pairs of old schools. We only have one in right now. Like I said, I'm waiting on the other pair, but old schools are really nice shoes for back to school, and the reason is because they are so affordable. They're like 50-60 bucks. And honestly, even when I was in high school, like 50-60 bucks was a lot of money. I remember one year I was so hyped because I was worried whether I was gonna get cool shoes, and I actually got like Vans XR2s, I think they were, and I found them at Ross for like 20 bucks a piece. And I was so hyped because that means I had cool shoes for 2 years. Obviously, my mom wasn't gonna go buy me like another pair of shoes next year because, you know, I had 2 pairs of shoes, 1 shoe per year. I remember like meeting people that were into sneakers and stuff, and like for me, like I was never really into sneakers like that back in the day just because we didn't have money to go buy multiple pairs of shoes. I had 1 pair of shoes, I wore those every day. But regardless, I think these are really nice shoes for just your average person. They're clean, they're essential, they go with almost any outfit. Maybe not the checkered ones, but I wanted to get him like a separate pair of shoes that he could rock. And then obviously he has the black ones coming in as well. So definitely clean to have. If you do not know what kind of shoe you want, but you don't want to spend too much money, and you want just a clean essential shoe, you don't have a bunch of money to buy all these fancy shoes that are coming out all the time, Vans Old School is always a way to go. Anyways, I'm going to put these back in the box. I'm actually going to pack a backpack, little Supreme backpack for him. I'm going to give him this Supreme bag right here. We're just going to throw in some clothes and then take it over there. We'll see some of the family a little bit. I don't even know if I could fit all of these in here. Alright, so the backpack is mostly ready. We still have the t-shirts. Honestly, I'll probably just end up bringing those in the box, whatever. Alright, so we got the Supreme bag packed with the hoodies. We got the t-shirts in here, the old schools. I'm going to bring these over to him, and then I'm going to go to my niece's open house. I don't know how much I'm going to film. I don't really like putting my whole family out there, but yeah, man, I don't know. I just want to hook my nephew up. In all seriousness, I'm really proud of my nieces and nephews. I don't really want to get too deep into my family situation. I spent a lot more time with one of my nephews and one of my nieces than the other ones, and that's just because they lived with me when they were younger, and watching them grow up, and just I'm really proud of them. I think everyone kind of worries a little bit about the younger people in their family. I think seeing my niece and nephew develop into the young adults that they have, it gives me hope for my other nieces and nephews that I also really, really adore. So hopefully soon I'll be able to spend more time with all of them. I don't spend nearly as much time with my family as I wish I could, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother time. Anyway, so we are going to go drop these off, and hopefully you guys like the video. Oh, and at the end of the video, I think we're gonna do a little bit of adventuring, so stay tuned. And we have arrived. So we are actually here for other reasons besides this video, but anyways, in that backpack is my nephew's school clothes, so he can open that up. Open it up. You can't open it up if you have it on, right? So he's got some of his school clothes in here, and then obviously, as you guys noticed, we can't fit it all.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't want
Your car's
Just put it on there. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's a Honda Civic. It's not a Lambo.
How do you do that?
It's a zipper. So there's 2 hoodies in there. We got most of the stuff.
Let me see.
So that's the one that has the
StockX thing on it.
yeah. It's got the little StockX verified tag.
Ooh, that's a nice one. I like it.
Here, try it on. Make sure it fits. In all seriousness, this dude has literally. So this is my nephew. He has literally grown taller since the last time I've seen him, and it was probably like not even a month ago. Okay, so bam, there's another hoodie in there. Try that one on. Well, those both fit, but you can check this hoodie out, kind of get an idea of what it's like.
Yeah.
That's the one with the, it's got the embroidery on the hood. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so then we got these 2 tees right here, both DS with tags.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. I like it.
Yeah, that's a Supreme Gons tee. So
Yeah, I saw
this is actually kind of like the font that they use is an old skateboarding font they use on for blind skateboards.
That's cool.
Oh, isn't this the one you have?
Yeah, this is the one I have. I have this one in black. That's the diamond tee. It's one of my favorite tees. Doesn't this remind you of the S that like me and Justin
Yeah,
used to draw back in the day?
yeah,
Like
exactly.
the 3 lines?
I still like once in a while like draw those.
And when you do that,
like
boom,
the 3
boom,
lines,
boom,
yeah.
and then draw the little, yeah.
And then last but not least, we don't have the black ones, but we got these as well. So these ones are like these old schools.
Oh, awesome.
these
Oh, those are
nice.
cool.
Yeah, this is what I was talking about, like with
Yeah, those look different than what I was imagining. Like those.
But that's what I was saying, like these with like an all black fit, like even with what he's got going on, like
with this.
it'll kind of pop, you know, and then he'll just have
Yeah.
the black hoodie, black pants, just clean,
Exactly.
essential fit.
That'll look nice.
Yeah, these are nice. Thanks.
Yeah, of course.
Sweet.
What's crazy is like, in all honesty, guys, like he probably doesn't even look that excited to most people watching, but
He's
this is the
totally-
most excited I've ever seen him.
Yeah.
Like I've
He's
never
super
seen him
excited.
excited. I was actually just telling you guys earlier in the video that I could give this kid like a Lamborghini and he'd be like, "Oh, thanks."
Yeah.
That makes me feel good. But yeah, so pretty stoked that you know, we got him some school clothes. School starts tomorrow. There should be a couple items. I think there's like a tee or 2, and then I believe we have the other pair of old schools. Unless I couldn't
They're
order
still
them.
coming?
I don't remember if they didn't have the size at the time, but regardless, I need to get him another pair of all black old schools just for other fits. But anyways,
Oh, here's your backpack.
we're supposed to shoot here.
Here's your
What's that
backpack.
say? That's his backpack.
Oh.
Ooh.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Dude.
Of course. So, you know.
He wasn't expecting that. Yeah, we'll adjust him.
Sure.
Don't worry.
Yeah, of course. I like my stuff like real tight, but obviously
Well, yeah.
you're taller than me.
Let's go
Yeah.
shoot.
Dude's 14 and he's fucking twice as tall as me.
6'2".
So anyways, guys, for the remainder of this video, because I'm not gonna film me shooting, I do want to show you guys some footage from a little adventure that I went on 2 days ago, just kind of exploring the beautiful Olympic Peninsula. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. My mom is laughing at me. She's freaking making fun of me right now in her mind. Whatever. Anyways, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into it. What up, YouTube? So we were supposed to go to Lake Kolchak today. However, if you see, there are some clouds in the sky right now, and sadly it says, I think, a 70% chance of rain. It was only 20% yesterday, and then I woke up and it was 70%. So we changed our minds. We are actually going to go to the Olympic Peninsula today. I'm actually about to get on a ferry, which I have not been on a ferry. Like, I can't even remember the last time. I'm assuming, I think I went on one when I was like a little kid, but it's been so freaking long, so I'm kind of excited about that. Hopefully I will get some sick photos of this LG device. The campaign for that phone ends in a couple of days, or I guess by the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably already been over. And if you guys are seeing this for the first time, I'm sorry, but the winner has already been picked and someone just won a free phone. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you missed out and you didn't get the chance to get a free phone, so that's your fault. But anyways, we are about to get on this ferry and then head to the Olympic Peninsula. I think Hurricane Ridge and Crescent Lake, hopefully. So we'll see where the day takes us. Okay, so I just asked if she's listening to Astroworld, and she said, oh, that's with what's his name? I can't believe she just disrespected my man Travis Scott like that. The disrespect is unreal right now. Yeah, you shouldn't have anything to say. You just,
I'm a little ashamed of myself.
yeah, I'm ashamed too. Disgraceful. can make this work. We can work it out. Look, you got me out here in the rain walking after you. Come on, man. We can make this work, baby. Come on, cutie pie. Come on, sugar snickle.